Hi guys, my name is Michelle and today I'm going to show you how to do a hip key. It's very similar to a monkey climb, the way that the fabric is wrapped around your body, but instead of using your feet, we're going to be using our legs, and it'll be our upper thigh area. And that's where, so the fabric will be wrapped between my thighs and then over my hip, and we'll be leaning on our hips to stay stable on the fabric. So let me show you guys how it's done the fast way. Really quick. So you lift yourself up and then you swing your, or I'll show you first. So basically what you're doing is a fan kick. You're fanning your legs around to get the fabric where you want it to go. And so I do it I use my right side, or I do a right side hip key. So what I do is if the fabric is in front of me, I'm gonna have my left leg on the right side of the fabric, and I'm gonna have my right leg on the left side of the fabric. And my right leg will be on top of my left leg. So you're gonna basically get this tail, like if your legs were making a scissor shape, like that. Like this is the scissor shape my legs are making. You're gonna get that fabric in between the scissors, and you're gonna swing that fan kick around until you're leaning on your hip. So when we did the monkey climb, we used our feet, and basically what we did was we had our right foot on the left side, and then if this is my foot, and then our other foot came beneath it and it pulled it up and on top of the right foot. So let me show you guys from the other direction. You're gonna kick your right leg to the left, and then your left leg is gonna swing to the right side of this fabric. And then circle. And now you're in a hip key. And you can do a lot of things in this move. You can swing yourself in a circle by using the tail. So you can also do it to the left. I have a difficult time doing it to the left side, but I'll show you how it looks. So that's the hip key. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm going to be posting more soon. Check out my videos on Saturdays at 10 a.m. Thank you.